I'll see if I can take out the power cord first.
If you're allergic to pork or
soda giants, yeah.
it's getting harder to find new customers after all.
There's been a
Always with it. This is a statewide test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System, originating from the State Emergency Operations Center.
all electronic where you don't.
Of the Ohio emergencies and information related to that emergency over this and other station Emergency Operations Center in Columbus.
About that base.
199.
That makes sense.
Is designed to provide timely.
It's always within 2 minutes. Out there. Music, radio.
And information related to that emergency over this and other stations in your area. This concludes.
On WTA to be said for that. Fritz and Rob Rosicki. But we'll ever know if it was a cyber. You know what? Everyone.
The Ohio
Radio. Schedule an appointment.
Use this.
We really do prefer that.
over this and other stations.
I heard Sean Payton's crazy. Where are they going? They were.
Alert system.
Talk of the town. Yeah. You know, you walk into the house, you shake hands, then you get a confused deer in the headlights look. That's the way it usually happens. And you just, it is a nightmare from start to finish, at least knowing on every step. This is why I started real estate agents.
This is a statewide test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System, originating from the State Emergency Operations Center.
Real estate agents in the
This is
country.
only a test. The Ohio Emergency Alert System is designed to provide the public with timely warnings and emergency information. Had this been an actual emergency, you would have received instructions and information related to that emergency over this and other stations in your area. This concludes this test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System.
Of the emergency alert system.
Oh, here we go.
Only a test.
This is a statewide test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System, originating from the State Emergency Operations Center in Columbus. This is only a test. The Ohio Emergency Alert System is designed to provide the public with timely warnings and emergency information. Had this been an actual emergency, you would have received instructions and information related to that emergency over this and other stations in your area. This concludes this test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System.
And you saw the Department of Homeland Security Information Governance Board.
Frickin' awesome. First time recording alerts off of my 519, really. Well, first AM and FM alerts, that is. Now we gotta wait for the routine required weekly test, which is in almost an hour, maybe an hour and a half. Meanwhile, gotta carry you back to my room. Oh, sorry about the antenna smacking you in the face. Back up, here you go. I can do it with one hand. There we go. Plug you in. Seat you with the AC adapter. There we go. Just checking to make sure
Snow
we're good to go.
showers.
400's good.
No accumulation.
Version 8's good. Sangean good.
Northwest winds 15 to 20
Looks good. Version 3.
Miles per hour.
We're ready to roll there. Why is that loud?
Friday night, mostly cloudy with of snow showers. Lows in the lower 20.
Okay. 261.
Forecast for north central Ohio.
Alright, Zone Guard. You had a partial fail, but let's see if you work now. If I can do it. There we go.
partly cloudy.
Oh yeah.
Lows around
We're ready.
20. Sunday, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 30s.
Alright, HH.
Not as cool as
Of course, you're ready to go. Recom.
Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Cloudy.
Yep. ER 10.
Afternoon. Highs in the mid 40s.
Yep. And then WR 120.
80%. Monday night, showers likely.
Yep. Cool. Hopefully it stays that way. This guy's back.
Highs around 50.
521's good.
At 10 a.m., weather reports for selected cities at Akron-Canton Regional Airport.
This one is on KDO 94, and this one's on KHP 97.
73%. Lorraine, 38 at Toledo Metcalf.
There we go.
36 at Toledo Express.
That's better. 519.
10 a.m. Weather reports for selected cities at Lorain County Regional Airport. It was cloudy. The temperature was
Awesome. And then 258. She's ready to rock and roll. And then my weather station.
airport. It was cloudy.
Don't forget these two guys over here.
Relative humidity was 67%. The wind was south at 8 miles.
Was 29.97 inches and steady. Elsewhere across Ohio.
These are all ready to rock. Probably gonna be the biggest one yet. Okay, apparently WLW has a 20-minute delay for our RMTs. I will keep that in mind next time. Thank you, AJ. Now on for the Ohio weekly test on O1 Radio.
Skies ranged from partly sunny to cloudy. Reports from nearby
during potentially dangerous weather situations.
Didn't have time to set the camera.
This is a test of the Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the WNG 698 listening area of north central Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm.
Hello.
Flood warning in effect until late this evening. West, minor flooding is forecast. Where? Eagle Creek and Phalanx Station. When? Until late this evening. Impacts at 9.5 feet. Barkley Messerly Road south of the Warren Airport in Braceville floods. Milton Road will be threatened. At 11.0 feet, Barkley Messerly Road, McConnell East, and Milton Roads will be flooded and impassable. Additional details at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. The stage was 9.4 feet. Forecast: the river will rise above flood stage this morning to near 10.0 feet late this morning. It will then fall below flood stage late this afternoon. Flood stage is 9.5 feet. Flood history: no available flood history. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. On the latest weather map, a trough of...
That came out of nowhere. Here's me thinking there would be a lot more issued since blackout hours is over. Don't know though.
North Central Ohio.
Okay, that's good.
In effect until 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Today, snow showers.
That sounds decent. That's pretty good. What about this one?
Percent.
Yep. This one?
On here 100%.
Definitely. This one?
Snow showers.
Definitely. What about this one?
Lows in the...
Absolutely. Okay. There we go. This looks good.
Mostly clear. Lows around 20.
Why is that loud? Jesus.
Northwest winds around 5 miles per hour in the evening.
There we go.
Becoming light and variable.
Say it, Jan.
South winds around 5 miles per hour. Sunday night, mostly cloudy.
Okay.
Lows in the
Shut
upper.
up.
The Lake Erie short-term marine forecast within 5 nautical miles.
Zone guard. If I can get it. There we go.
Coming north.
Yep.
Rain showers are
HH is good.
from late.
Recom.
Waves 4 to 7 feet.
ER 10.
Around 9 feet.
120.
Tonight.
Okay. Look at that snow. Great view from up here, actually. Very great view. Alright. Where did my hand rest? There it goes. How does that go back?
This is a test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the KHB 97 listening area for the central Lake Shore counties of Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the KDO-94 listening area of northeast inland Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the organized low pressure warning alarm for the KDO-94 listening area of northeast inland Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11. This is a test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for WWG-57 for the Central Highlands of Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. Southeast. This is a test of the Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the WNG-698 listening area of north central Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. The forecast for north central Ohio. 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Becoming southwest 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour in the afternoon. Chance of rain near 100%. Thursday night, showers, mainly in the evening. Lows in the lower 30s. Southwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%. Friday, a chance of rain showers in the morning.
This guy finally went off.
Cloudy with a chance of snow showers.
Super
Little
cool.
or no snow accumulation. Much cooler with highs in the mid-30s. West winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 50%. Friday night, cloudy. Lows in the upper 20s. The Lake Erie short-term marine forecast within 5 nautical miles from shore. This afternoon, west winds 5 to 15 knots. A chance of drizzle. Waves 2 to 4 feet subsiding to 1 to 3 feet.
And then the zone guard went off. It just had that funny little thing it did again. It did 1050 hertz first and then the same
A
headers.
slight chance of rain showers in the evening, then rain showers overnight. Waves 1 to 3 feet. At 11 a.m., weather reports for selected cities. At Lorain County Regional Airport, it was cloudy. The temperature was 41 degrees dew point 34 and relative humidity was 76%. The wind was west at 8 miles an hour.
I thought I shut you up. But, whew. Now that the required weekly test has been taken care of with my, yet again, brand new setup of weather radios here. Super satisfying to see all them yellow LEDs light up. Well, with the exception of this one, but this is a early version of a weather radio. Normally it would have the green statement light on, but not in this case. That's okay though. But while the test has concluded... Oh yeah, I just saw on the other cameras, these guys went off too. But going on to IEM bot here. Going on to IEM bot. Day 2 marginal convective risk for Pittsburgh, Wilmington, and Cleveland. So you take a look here. Oh, screw yourself then. It says it cannot be found. Well, luckily with the better help from kamala.cod.edu/SPC, there it is. All alone, covering parts of Central Ohio, Southwestern, and the greater Northwestern portion. So, we could see a couple SVRs here and there, and a boatload of flood products. And maybe if we're lucky, maybe even sneaking a couple tours in there as well. But that's, I'm not going to be counting my chickens before they hatch, but this could potentially be the first severe weather alerts for 2023. We'll have to wait and see, though. Alright, so that's the new one. What's the old one say? It says the exact same crap. The hell? Alright, I'll have to read more on that later, because I don't know why it's giving me bad time. Because it's also showing a day 1 marginal risk excessive rainfall outlook. Oh wait, no, that's today. There's day 2. Day 3. Oh, I get it. I get it. I get it. That makes sense. Alright. But yeah, I'll have to read more on that later. Anyway, that was the required weekly tests. Hixie? What you doing? Huh? What you doing? Anyways, you know that marginal risk that I was talking about? Well, it went from a day 2 slight, then to a day 1 slight, and then just recently, as I came home from work, we got this. A day 1 enhanced. The size of either a weird looking hard boiled or deviled egg or an avocado. But that's what it looks like there. That's the convective outlook. Mansfield is under this. It just missed my area to my southwest, I believe. I'm still in the slight for sure because it's covering most of Ohio now. But I think it's safe to assume that today's going to be pretty eventful, despite the fact that we have a 2% tornado probability. The wind has gotten up to about 30, as you can tell from that red spot there. And then, yeah, we're not expecting that much hail. So this is going to be mostly a damaging wind-driven event. And I think it even says on my phone, if I pull it up here on my AccuWeather, that, here it is right here, daily. There it shows it right there, high of 57 with a thunderstorm icon, but look what it says. Cloudy and mild with a gusty thunderstorm, breezy this afternoon. Storms can bring damaging winds and a tornado. Oh, the camera went out of focus. Yeah, look at that. they don't usually pull out the big guns and say stuff like that in forecasts typically, let alone a what used to be a slight risk. I had a slight hunch that it was going to be an enhanced risk, but at the same time, it was too early to tell because it's freaking January 19th of 2023. But I guess we'll have to see what happens later on in the day, because if I look on here, we did get a little bit of rain, but now it's going to be just overcast up until about the evening hours, so at about 6 o'clock. That's when my area is going to get some thunderstorms. But this is going to be pretty crazy. Probably going to affect my sleep schedule in a way as well, because I work nights, not during the daytime. So, and then how ironic, the winter cast is right there. Snowfall expected late tonight, shortly afterwards. So things change, man. It quickly shifts over from spring weather all the way back over to winter weather with snow, and then, you know, snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches Sunday, blah blah blah. But let's not worry about the weekend for right now. This is our main focus. We shall see what is in store for June 19th, 2023. Stay tuned. Holy shit. Yeah, I'll leave this alone. Why does this have a green light though?
As one red message.
I thought watches are supposed to be orange or yellow, not a green.
The urgent weather message. For the following county, Erie, Ohio. Severe thunderstorm watch number 26 remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and now includes the following county, Erie, Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 26 remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and now includes the following county: Erie, Ohio. An urgent weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Erie, and Huron. The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, northwestern Wyandotte County in northwestern Ohio, southern Hancock County in northwestern Ohio, until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:21 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Ada, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bluffton, Forest, Arlington, Van Loo, New Regal, Cary, Mount Blanchard, Wharton, Genera, Mount Corey, and Williamstown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio: Hancock, Seneca, and Wyandotte. Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Huron County, eastern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, Erie County, southeastern Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:26 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Green Springs, 10 miles northeast of Tiffin, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sandusky, Tiffin, Norwalk, Western Vermilion, Bellevue, Clyde, Green Springs, Northern Milan, Wakeman, Bloomville, Castalia, Monroeville, Attica, Berlin Heights, North Fairfield, Republic, Flat Rock, Bloomingville, and Sandusky South. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio: Erie, Huron, Sandusky, and Seneca. This is NOAA Weather Radio WNG 6. Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore and open waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to Avon Point, Ohio, until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 6 nautical miles west of North Cape to 12 nautical miles south of Sandusky Bay to 41 nautical miles south of Huron, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Reno Beach, Put-in Bay, Western Vermilion, Kelly's Island, Lorraine Harbor, Vermilion, Avon Point, and Huron. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Richland County, southeastern Huron County, southwestern Medina County in northeastern Ohio, Ashland County, northwestern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Lorain County, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Plymouth, or 15 miles south of Norwalk, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Ashland, Shelby, Willard, Wellington, New London, Plymouth, West Salem, Savannah, Hope, Sullivan, Penfield, Greenwich, Spencer, North Fairfield, Bailey Lakes, Congress, Rochester, Lewisburg, and Nova. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Huron, Lorain, Medina, Richland, and Wayne. The urgent weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Lorain, and Medina. Severe thunderstorm watch number 26 remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and now includes the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Lorain, and Medina. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 26 remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and now includes the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Lorain, and Medina. The urgent weather message. The urgent weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Holmes and Wayne. Severe thunderstorm watch number 26 remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and now includes the following counties in Ohio: Holmes and Wayne. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 26 remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and now includes the following counties in Ohio: Holmes and Wayne. Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Erie County, Monongahela County in northeastern Ohio, Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, northern Ashland County, Summit County in northeastern Ohio, northern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, Lorain County until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 9 miles northwest of western Vermilion to near Wellington to near Belleville, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Akron, Lorain, Elyria, Medina, Worcester, Ashland, Western Vermilion, Parma, Lakewood, Cuyahoga Falls, Euclid, Cleveland Heights, Strongsville, Brunswick, Westlake, North Royalton, North Ridgeville, and Kent. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Cuyahoga, Erie, Lorain, Medina, Summit, and Wayne. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore and open waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Erie County, Medina County in northeastern Ohio, Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, northern Ashland County, Summit County in northeastern Ohio, northern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, Lorain County until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles northwest of western Vermilion to near Wellington to near Belleville, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Akron, Lorain, Elyria, Medina, Worcester, Ashland, Western Vermilion, Parma, Lakewood, Cuyahoga Falls, Euclid, Cleveland Heights, Strongsville, Brunswick, Westlake, North Royalton, North Ridgeville, and Kent. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Cuyahoga, Erie, Lorain, Medina, Summit, and Wayne. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until... The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore and open waters from Vermilion, Ohio to Geneva on the Lake, Ohio, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 16 nautical miles north of Lorain Harbor to near Avon Point to 18 nautical miles southwest of Cleveland, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Willowick, Avon Point, Fairport Harbor, Cleveland, and Geneva on the Lake. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The urgent weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Cuyahoga, Erie, Huron, Lorain, and Medina. The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning
thunderstorm was located over Highland Hills or near Cleveland, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Painesville, Willowick, Shelton, Fairport Harbor, Geneva on the Lake, Euclid, Mentor, Cleveland Heights, Willoughby, Eastlake, Warrensville Heights, Madison, Perry, Highland Hills, Timberlake, Lakeline, Chesterland, Garfield Heights, and Shaker Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Geauga, and Lake. Flood warning in effect until tomorrow afternoon. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? Eagle Creek at Phalanx Station. When? Until tomorrow afternoon. Impacts at 9.5
Forgot to set this to my county only.
In Braceville floods. Milton Road will be threatened. Additional details at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. The stage was 9.1 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 10.2 feet tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage tomorrow afternoon. Flood stage is 9.5 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Winds could gust as high as 30 miles per hour. Where? Portions of northwest Ohio. When? From late Tuesday night through Wednesday evening. Impact. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the evening commute. Additional details on seven precipitation may impact the morning and on Wednesday. Monitor the latest forecast for updates on this situation. Chance of rain 70%. Sunday, rain showers likely in the morning, then a chance of rain and snow showers in the afternoon. Little or no snow accumulation. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm.
Finally, they did it! Holy cow! Also, the MD-319's very first required weekly test. Yay!